All right, I am going to do this think, pair, share with you. We're given the same directions. We're asked to use geometry to evaluate the following definite integrals. The first thing that we want to do, all right, so question is, what is the signed area under this curve? Square root of 16 minus x squared. So we're going to want to visualize what that is. Bound by the vertical lines, x is 0 and x is 4. Okay, so you might recall that x squared plus y squared equals 16 is a circle centered at the origin of radius 4. When you solve for y here, you get y is equal to plus or minus the square root of 16 minus x squared. We looked at something like this back in implicit differentiation. Now, notice here they've taken the positive square root. So I am looking at when y is positive, the top half of this circle is y equals square root of 16 minus x squared. All right, and since we are integrating as x goes from 0 to 4, I'm going to draw this a little bigger. We are looking at finding this area. Okay, so notice it's positive. We're above the x-axis. This is a quarter the area of a circle. With radius 4. Okay, so your answer here, maybe I'll write answer. That's okay. Area of a circle is pi r squared. My radius here is 4, and I want a quarter of that circle. We end up with 16 divided by 4, which is 4 pi. Done. Okay. Here, I think I want to leave it to you to get the graphs for these. We've done a lot. This one's the same. But here I'm looking at the negative square root. So that's this one down here where you're below the axis, drawing them. But let's just get the question. What is the signed area under this curve, the negative square root of 16 minus x squared, as x goes, we can say as x goes from 0 to 4, I'm going to be consistent with my language, I'm going to say bounded by x is 0 and x is 4. I'm going to leave it to you to draw. Now this one, notice that's the function that we looked at before, square root of 16 minus x squared. But what makes this question different? These limits of integration, here we were going as x goes from 0 to 4. Now we're going as x goes from minus 4 to 4. So it's very similar, but look at right here how it is different. All right, and again, I'm going to leave it to you to get this exact answer. Okay, thank you for watching.